Hi, I'm Miss Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bead lizard. They're super easy. I learned how to make them in camp, and since it's January, it's a good way to bring back some summertime vibes to our lives since it gets dark so early. It reminds me of summer and sunshine. So follow along. It's super easy, like I said, unlike the book purse, which took forever. For your bead lizard, you need about 2 yards of your cording. If you don't want to measure it, it's totally fine. I'm using my wingspan because that's about 5 feet. So that should be more than enough. I'm giving it a little extra just to be safe. And then you're going to cut it. If you're using plastic lacing, which is normally like the ideal, you can skip this step. Anything that might fray, just add a dot of glue and twist the ends together. That'll make it so much easier, I promise. You can also skip this step, but then you're gonna spend a lot of time fighting with your cording. Like I said, optional, but makes life way easier. So you're just gonna let this dry, and it's Elmer's glue, so it takes like a couple minutes, but it saves you so much frustration. Once the ends have dried, you're gonna fold your cord in half, find the middle, and then you're gonna do the cheater version of a lark's head knot. So you're gonna take that middle part, you're gonna put it through your key ring, open it, pull the key ring through that fold, and pull tight. So this is what it should look like. It's super easy. It's how you start most macrame, or a lot, not all, but you know, a good chunk of it. And that's the beginning of your bead lizard. You're now ready to start adding your beads. You're gonna separate your 2 cords, or half the cord. You're gonna take your first bead. Your left-hand cord is going from left to right. The right-hand cord will go through that bead right to left. So they're going opposite directions, kind of like you're lacing your shoes. And then you're just gonna pull it all the way to the top. The next row, you're gonna take 2 beads, left to right, and then through both beads, right to left. The next row has your eyes, so you're gonna do your eye color, which is your contrast, your body color, and then your other eye. Then 2 body colors. Again, left to right. This is going to be the tricky part. You're going to be making your legs. So your legs are going to stick out to the sides. So you're going to do 2 beads of your main color for the leg, 3 of your contrast color for the toes, and then you're going to hold your 3 contrast colors, create a loop, and then you're going to go back through those 2 leg colors. And then you're going to pull it tight. So we're going to keep this loop tension till we're up with the main part of our lizard. Pull tight. And you're going to adjust this so that the beads sit better. And then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Then 2 of your body color. Body, contrast, body, because we're going to give him a little stripe down his back. Body, 2 contrast, body. It's now time to make your back legs. You're going to do the same thing you did with the front legs. You're going to do 2 beads. And then you're gonna make your tail, and you can make your tail as long as you want, but that's just gonna be one single bead per row until you like the way it looks. We're gonna do 6 because that is what I have been doing since I was like 8 years old, and I'm not about to change that now. Once your lizard is done, all your pieces are there, you're just going to take the bottom cords and then tie a knot. Trim the extra. And there's your bead lizard.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.